All right, so Matt is going to cut this thing off. I think it just seized up after, you can see here, after all the heat cycles in Utah of the dust getting on this thing, it just got completely caked full of shit and it won't come off now. So I've got a new clamp from Akra in here somewhere. There it is. So here's the clamp. Part number, in case you want to buy it yourself. We're just going to basically cut this off and then put that back on. And then it can go back on the bike. We're still using the OEM headers with the throttle valve actuator just to have it on there.
So as you can see here, we're just removing the OEM exhaust, which I only had on the bike for about 200 miles total just for the GS Trophy because the other one was loose after my trip to Utah where the thing seized up on me. So yeah, just removing this one, clamp, etc., etc. Then we take a angle grinder to the stainless steel clamp on the titanium Akra muffler silencer and yank that off. Actually surprised how easy Matt made it look. He only just barely touched the titanium, and while this is in storage, he's going to clean up titanium a little bit, I think. And we'll put it back on the bike for next year. And we have a brand new stainless steel clamp from Akra, same part number that was in the manual for the silencer, ready to go on. So that was pretty cool just to have this done. I've never had to cut a clamp off a piece of exhaust before, but we had to in this case because those threads were just completely caked on with red dirt and couldn't be broken loose. Anyway, thanks for watching. This was a fun video to make. Hope this is helping someone out there. Ride safe, be careful, and enjoy your exhaust. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful.